loved Norfolk and we are super excited to explore this city for the next few years. Good evening, guys. Another week, another vlog. It is Thursday today and we are just done from work. Saturday we are heading back to Norfolk, another work trip. We are super excited to be there again. New project, new work. So we are very, very excited for that. I just got my haircut done. Now we are heading for groceries. So let's go. Okay, so we completed one of the last milestone for me. We're super excited. So we came for dinner in Keg to celebrate it. We are making pizza today, roti pizza. So the topping is chicken, capsicum, broccoli, cheese, onion, pineapple, capsicum, and that's it. Nice. And it's beautiful, beautiful. So many jasmines. So many. Good afternoon, guys. It is Friday today and the time is 3:30. Now we are heading home because usually we are done on Fridays. It is almost half day. So anyways, now we are heading home. That's Sanjay. Tomorrow we are flying to Norfolk, USA, and the plan is we are going to stay there for 9-10 days and we'll be back following Monday. So anyways, let's go home, cook, eat, and I will see you guys later. Time to go home. Let's go. Okay, so we are in the packing process. Since we're going to stay there for almost 10 days, so we thought we need to take all the office clothes and plus other daily wear. It is Saturday today. Time is 5:30. We are all set to go to airport. We have a flight 9:15. Sanjay. And I'm extremely worried about our plants. I'm not too sure what's gonna happen in 10 days. I hope they stay alive. I was thinking to keep it outside, but again, I'm not too sure if it gets cold or too much rain. As you can see, so many jasmines. So many. Like around 60-70 jasmines. So yeah, we hope for the best. I hope to see them nice like this when we are back. Having coffee. That's our gate, A71. The time is 8:10. So we are going to enjoy this sparkling wine. Time is almost 11 o'clock. Now we are going to rent a car. And Sanjay, just in time. Time to rent a car from Abyss. We loved Norfolk and we are super excited to explore this city for the next few years. Ordered our groceries. Look at these flowers, guys. Roses, white and pink roses. Okay, so this is the suite that we got. Nice, beautiful. There is fridge. Actually, we already ordered our groceries. It's there. Freezer, stove to cook, coffee machine, toaster. We have dishwasher, glasses. We have cookware. We have Good morning, guys. It is Sunday today and the time is 12:30. We woke up around 11 o'clock. This is our breakfast, eggs and black coffee. Sanjay. After we finish our breakfast, we're gonna go to Costco and Indian grocery store to buy groceries. We just got chai. This is chai tea and it tastes super nice. It's yum. Done with groceries from both Costco and Indian store. This is Royal Bazaar. This is Indian, Asian foods groceries store. So now we are heading back to our suite. Now this should be good for next 10 days. Okay, so let's go home, eat, and then sleep. And now we are going to take a nice nap because we have work in the night. We're gonna start around 8 p.m. 2:35 a.m. Yeah, so just came from work and it was super duper fun day on site today. Got extremely hungry. Usually we don't eat that late night, but today actually we actually got really hungry. And fish. So we are going to, our khichdi is ready.
Tu will bale.
Khichdi is ready. Nice. Looks yum. Cleaning done. Look at this, guys. Chicken pulao. Sampai ni very video. Okay, guys. So we are back from work. The time is almost 6:45 or so. Good afternoon, guys. Actually, good evening. It is Friday today, and just got off from work. Cooking done. So we made dal, fish, rice, and lassi, and onions. And this is my outfit from Junaid Jamshid. Hello, Ghar, hello, Ghar. It is Saturday today, and we woke up around 11 o'clock, and then we had black coffee, and then we had lunch, and we went back to sleep. For some reason, we were extremely tired, and then we slept for a good 3 hours. Okay, so from this place, we got cupcakes too. Not cupcakes, but small cake. I'll show you. We felt like having dessert today, so we came out, bought cakes from here. This is one of the famous shops in here. Now we are finding a nice cafe to have coffee to pair with these cakes. I got carrot and Sanjay got chocolate chip. So let's go. I got carrot cake. Sanjay got chocolate chip. Look at this weather, guys. How beautiful it is. We are heading to see a couple of apartments. We have scheduled showing for our new place in Norfolk. So yeah, we thought before we go to office, it is good idea that we finalize our space before we come here. These fresh flowers, fresh roses. Bye bye temporary home. They survived nice. Just few leaves. That is fine, but we need to donate these plants because we cannot take them to USA. Look at these. So many jasmines were there, but we couldn't enjoy them. But we are super happy that it survived. Nice.